What's up, YouTube guys? It's your girl Tori back with another video. Make sure you give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe, hit about comment on. Yes, I still have this hairstyle. I'm about to take it out soon though. Oh, have y'all even seen this? I think y'all have. Somebody should pass by my house. Happy early Christmas. Well, Merry early Christmas. We already got my inflatables up, my tree, my presents, my lights. It's just, that's decorated stuff. Y'all ready to see it? Then I'm just gonna show you. So there's our tree. We got some presents over there. Some presents, over there. Y'all can see it. And there's lights in the windows. And we got little stockings. We gotta turn off one of those lights. We either gonna turn it off or turn it on. I don't know which one, but I choose to turn it off. They choose to turn it. Yo, what is this? Is it just probably is. Long Island. Don't mind it, my brother just. And then we got like some decorations. I could probably try to show y'all. Ooh, I almost fell. I could probably try to show y'all the inflatables, but they got, what the freak? Oh, I thought somebody took my inflatables. It was about to be a fight, cause these inflatables cost us way too much money for people to get them for free by stealing. So we got the Grinch, the gingerbread man, we got a unicorn, and we got a black Santa. I don't know if y'all can see him, but he on top of the unicorn. But y'all see him someday when they fully blown up. Y'all probably like, girl, why you not at school? I'm sick. We had our Thanksgiving break, and then once it was time to go back to school, I didn't go Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and today is Thursday. So Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. I didn't go to school 4 days. But tomorrow I'm going. Tomorrow's a really, really short day. Tomorrow, Monday through Thursday, we usually get out from, I'm about to smack him, from 7:30 in the morning to 3 o'clock in the afternoon. 3:15 o'clock in the afternoon. And I have to walk. That's the hard part. I have to walk. It's some bump. I don't know what the heck that is. Oh my God, right there. Because this tooth is coming out. And so, it's hard as a rock. But yeah, and then on the short days at school, we don't get out till 7:30 to 12 on the short days. Y'all probably like, girl, where is your parents? Like, my brother is upstairs just being annoying. My mom went to work. She drives Uber she just went to work at 2 o'clock. I don't even know what time it is now. I think it's probably still 2 something. It's 2 o'clock. 2 something. But my mom don't get, my mom not coming back till 6. She could come back whenever. She could come back from work whenever, and she could start whenever. I'm probably gonna do like a room tour. But I'm so cozy, y'all. I'm cozy up. Now, I wish I would have just ended this vlog and go watch some Smelly Belly TV or watch some of my YouTube videos, because I just be enjoying my YouTube videos. Is it that the point of vlogging is to enjoy YouTube? I think so. Oh my god, but I'm just so cozy over here. No. Do not ask for a fit check, y'all, because I look a hot mess. Oh my god, I got this stitch crop top on. Oh my god. See, I got that on, and I got some 4th of July Ecticas on. I know, dude. I did not put together right today. I am in my cozy mode, filming. I don't know why, because it looked like I'm about to go to sleep. But even though I'm snuggled up and warm, I'm not holding this camera right because I am snuggled up and warm. That's my stomach. Hold on. I'm sorry, hold on. Shut up! Okay, sorry. I just had to tell him to shut up real quick. Y'all probably heard that, but he just, it's annoying. Like, does everybody have that big brother that is just so annoying? Like, oh yeah, I have 6 siblings. My oldest, well, I have 2 on my mom's side, 3 on my dad's side. So my oldest brother is in jail. He is 29, about to be 30. He been in jail since he was 19, I think. Yeah, 19, because he 29. And I don't even know how he went to jail. It was something, I don't know. My mom told me before, but I forgot. I don't even remember. That's messed up. I don't remember. That's messed up, y'all. I look ugly with this. This huge bump. Hard as a rock. Above my teeth. That's hard. And then I have a second oldest sister on my mom's side. She's 26. And her name is Treasure. And she has a daughter named Chrissy that is really crazy. She's 1 year old. And then my oldest brother that I said was in jail for 10 years, his name is Corey. My brother that is upstairs being annoying, talking and yelling and cursing, is 20 years old. He just turned 20 on April. The craziest thing is because my sister Treasure and my brother that's not in jail, my brother that's upstairs, got the same birthday. Their birthday on April 3rd. But they wasn't born the same day. They are 6 years apart. So yeah. His name is Trey. He's just annoying. And then there's me. That is about to be, it's December 1st today, which is, December 1st, 2022. My birthday is January 8th, so I have a month until my birthday. So I'm just sitting here in silent excited mode. I guess that's how I explain it. I'm so excited on the inside, but I'm not showing it. But I'm excited because my birthday on January 8th, 7 days after New Year's. I'm celebrating my birthday until January 10th. Okay, I'm gonna tell y'all why I laugh like that in a minute. And then my two siblings on my dad's side, one name is Courtney. She's in her 20s. Yeah, she's in her 20s. My mom says she's 20-something, but I forgot. And she's in Arizona. Why would I just say Arizona? I don't even know what city she in. And it's crazy because on my dad's side, I have a brother. And his name is Little Randy. And my dad's name is Randy. So they just named him after my dad. So yeah, I have 3 siblings on my mom's side, which is his side, and 2 siblings on my dad's side. And then yeah, I want to get up and do a room tour, but if I go up there, I'm going to get in my bed, I'm going to get all comfortable, and I am not going to get out. And then I want something to eat, so I'm just probably going to go up there, do a room tour, come back down, fix me something to eat, and then, like, lay down, and then, like, explain to y'all what I have to eat, and then in this vlog, because it's already 11 minutes of talking. So let's just hurry up and do this room tour, because I don't even know if I'm gonna do this room tour. I might do this room tour in my next vlog. Yeah, y'all just got to deal with it, because I'm just gonna do a room tour in the next vlog, because my room not even all the way done. I'm glad I didn't go out there, because my room is still a little messy, but it's fine. And I got a bunk bed, but it don't got no bottom bunk. Yeah, I already told y'all I'm sick. I don't have corona. So don't think I have corona, because I don't. I'm just sick. I'm just officially sick. Yeah. So I don't even know if I have enough energy to get up and fix me something to eat. But I am so hungry. And when I get hungry really bad and I don't fix me nothing, I start getting attitude. I just be mad. I just be rolling my eyes like, oh, I wish I could get something to eat. But I just don't be wanting to get up, dude, because this couch is so comfortable. My mama be like, girl, this couch is not comfortable. And she like, my bed be comfortable. But I mean, against my bed, my mom bed, and that couch, those are all the 3 places that be hitting. That be so good. Oh. Just smoke one. It be all the good places where you can be sleeping because they so good. I mean, they feel so good. I mean, like, they feel so good to the point that you want to live in their bed. Oh. He scared me. And, oh, Jesus. I'm glad I am not in my room because I have a puppy. Her name is Maggie. Her name is Magic. I'm just playing. She at my auntie house. Oh, hold on. Yeah, she at my auntie house. So they said I can't keep her, but told them that I could keep her. Oh, it's a tooth. Yeah, right there. Is that a tooth? Don't mind the doubles. It's doubles right there. Right? And doubles going down there. And they start at the oddest places. Oh my god. Yeah, I've been vlogging for about 15 minutes now. I am just so hungry. I don't know what to do. That'd be best if I would have just stopped vlogging right there. No, because when I was vlogging a house tour at my auntie house, I had to end it early. That's because I was picking up a dog to get out the kitchen, and it ended up ending the vlog. So I was like, you know what? I'm just not even gonna touch it. So I just left it alone. I posted the video, and like, I'm just tired. I woke up. I was just sleeping in my bed, and then I would just wake up, and then I'd be staring everywhere. Then I'll switch sides. I'll be playing on my phone, and I'll go back to sleep. It's just like, it's so weird. Because I'm sick, I think this is what got me so tired. Because, like, that's my finger. Because it's just like, I don't know. Because I don't know what has me so tired. But I'm tired every day. Especially if I had a long day. And I didn't even do nothing today. That's crazy. I didn't do nothing today. But just get up. My mom had to convince me to go to school. I told her no. She tried to get me. It took her like 100 times to try to get me to get up for school. And I kept saying no. But she also didn't want me to go because it was raining and it was cold, and she didn't want me to get sick again. Because it's this thing, I get sick with different changing weather. It's just like so difficult. It's so difficult to deal with because I'll be sick on cold days, and then on hot days I'll be perfectly fine. It's just like, are you serious, dude? This just be so crazy. But I might stop vlogging here because I got some things I want to do. Let's hope I don't forget, because I want to make me some food, watch some YouTube, probably on the TV. Yeah, and just like lay down and chill out. I might watch it on my phone, but at the same time I might watch it on the TV. Probably the TV, but it's a bigger screen and it got more value. Yeah, probably the TV. Well, let me hurry up and end this vlog off before I keep talking and be on here for like 35 minutes. Because I already been here for like 18 minutes and 50 seconds. So let's get it. Let's get the goodbyes out real fast because I am hungry and cozy. You already see I'm dozing off to sleep. Okay. Thank y'all guys so much for watching because I was just so bored. I had nothing to do. I was like, let me just vlog real quick. You know, get them a little update. I don't be posting on YouTube that much. So make sure, I think I put my Instagram, my TikTok in the bio of my YouTube. If I did it, I'm gonna probably change it because I got a new Instagram. Well, yeah, I got a new Instagram, but I got a new TikTok. So my TikToks is just going in and out, in and out, in and out. So just like, so peace out, and I'll see y'all probably in my next vlog from my room tour. And I won't be saying goodbye, but not forever. And make sure to like and subscribe. Peace out.